Despite the corona crisis across the world, Jiffy.ai, an enterprise automation startup founded by a Malayali, is gaining attention. Jiffy.ai recently garnered Rs 136 crore worth investment in a series of funding that was led by Nexus Ventures Partners in participation with venture capitalists Rebirth Partners and W250. Jiffy.ai is co-founded by Babu Shivdasan, a fintech enterprise software veteran. It is a software that helps companies automate their work and thus increase productivity. Babu Shivdasan started a technology enterprise in Kerala during the 1990s, a time when the term startup wasn't in vogue.
Well, at that time, nobody understood what a startup is, right? So I had an opportunity to go to US and I landed in Silicon Valley, and a lot of these great companies were being formed at Yahoo, Google. I mean, Google started a little later, but Yahoo, Excite, a whole bunch of companies, Amazon. And we wanted to come back and start something on the same year, 96. And even to find space, office space at that time, right? Nobody would lend office to a startup, so you need to have bank accounts and you need to have an operation to get some space, right? So we took a small home, we started there, and then we grew from there.
When he reached America, he worked in 3 companies a day to gain more experience. Babu Shivdasan says that this helped him understand procedures both as founder and investor. Arriving in Silicon Valley from Kerala helped him observe the best enterprises at close quarters.
I was fascinated by what I saw in Silicon Valley. I got lucky, I would say, because when you look at that, so much creativity there, so many things happening, so many companies were getting formed, so you feel like you are in this alternate universe, from a sleepy town which is Trivandrum, and you get into this place. It was fascinating.
More than being self-employed, it is good to nurture enterprises that provide jobs. Panini, a not-for-profit enterprise, was thus launched.
How you came into this Panini? I mean, your background is engineering, right? So how you started your own company and how has that journey happened?
So, out of my own necessity, I wanted to focus on creating jobs. That was very important to me. I almost feel like you have a moral responsibility to enable others to do the same, right? So it's just that strong feeling lead to finding ways to, and one of the easy ways to do that is enable startups.
Panini holds the majority of share in Jiffy.ai. In addition to the US, Jiffy.ai has offices in Thiruvananthapuram, Kochi and Bangalore. He added that automation is going to revolutionize the world.
Panini is all about, we are trying to break the barrier between human and machine, right? So how do you communicate with the machine today, right? So you have to write programs, and that's how you communicate with the machines. Whereas, I'm talking to you right now, natural, it's something that we can both relate to, easy to understand. We want that level of simplicity in your dealings with machines. So we want machines to be a lot smarter, right? So a lot of things, that we don't want to do. We want to be able to delegate to the machines so that we can unleash our creativity to do better things.
Today, many companies that are part of the Fortune 1000 list are clients of Jiffy.ai. Babu Shivdasan says the funding will be used to set up a knowledge center in Thiruvananthapuram to pursue subjects such as AI and machine learning.